Okay, I'm going to show quickly how to use the pool remote. So here's the remote. There's these buttons here and these buttons that you toggle between. It's not super user friendly. So if you follow this, you should be able to turn on the pool or the jacuzzi. So I'm going to start first with the jacuzzi because that is what you mostly will want to use. You can select any button and it's going to give you this screen. It says Aquapod is now refreshing, and it's going to tell you what the air temperature is outside. And if there's nothing next to the pool temperature, that means that everything's turned off. Here it says pool, and I will need to change this setting from pool to spa to be able to activate the spa. So I select this button that says pool and it changes to spa. In order to run any kind of heater, you have to have the filter on as well. It will take a second to activate the filter on the spa because I just changed it over from pool to spa because it's changing over in filter mode. So when I click this, it says valves turning, button inactive. But if I wait for just another second, it's probably going to turn on its own. Again, this is not, there we go, it's turning on its own. So I clicked on filter and it's showing that the spa is 77 degrees. No heater is on it at this point. If you select the home button, this center button here, it's going to give you a setting mode. First it says scroll soft keys. Then if I click that again in the center, I get to a settings menu. I want to toggle to the right to look for an option, and that will give me the spa heater option. I will scroll down to make it the temperature I want. Generally 100 is hot and perfect for most people. And I'm going to scroll over to the right after that. The next option is pool heater, not going to do anything. I'll keep scrolling over to the right until it goes back to the menu I saw before. See, I'm just scrolling through, excuse me, and you don't have to do anything actually. So at this point, I have turned on the spa to 100 degrees. If I wanted to check it again, I could press the center and keep pressing, so I'm not saying timers, I keep pressing the center until I get back to that screen that says settings menu, select to the right, and I see spa heater, and we're done. Now, you will also need to make sure that the boost pump is on. If you click on the center button, you can get to the menu. Keep clicking on the center button until you get to this option that gives you arrows to the right and left. You'll want to click to the right to go to next. You see that the heater is on. And if I click on next as well, I get to an option that says boost pump. If I press that button, the bubbles are activated. So now you just wait until this spa setting says that it's a temperature that's warm enough for you to get in. Generally that's 85 or 86 degrees and above, but that will still be a little bit cool. So to turn off the spa, I'm going to press the center button again. I'm going to take the boost pump off because we don't want the bubbles anymore, sorry. I'm going to press the center again and toggle with the center button, meaning, sorry, keep pressing it until I get back to that settings menu. I'm going to scroll to the right till I get spa heater, which is telling me that I have it set at 100 degrees. I'm going to scroll, you can scroll down, but it's easier to scroll up. It goes as high as 104. It's telling me to plug in the battery. And then the option above 104 is off. You must have that say off or your heater will keep running during the night and we will have a high gas bill. And now I can just scroll over. If I wanted to turn on the pool heater, it's the next option on this, and I can show you in the next video. But at this point, we're just going to click in the center, go back to our, keep clicking until we get to that first option. Oh, sorry, we're gonna get to that option that shows previous and next. I'm gonna get back to where I see the spa option, filter, turn off the filter. You'll see, oh, my batteries are dying, but you'll see the heater come off, and then you're done.